What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? सठिक आंसर होची 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Which is the longest bone in the human body? सठिक आंसर होची femur. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? सठिक आंसर होची रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. What is the capital of Canada? सठिक आंसर होची ओटावा. Which metal is used in thermometer? सठिक आंसर होची mercury. What is the national bird of the United States? सठिक आंसर होची bald eagle. What is the chemical formula of water? सठिक आंसर होची H2O. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? सठिक आंसर होची रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. What is the currency of South Korea? सठिक आंसर होची won. Who discovered electricity? सठिक आंसर होची बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन. Which animal is the largest mammal in the world? सठिक आंसर होची blue whale. What is the study of star and planets called? सठिक आंसर होची astronomy. Which is the highest civilian award in India? सठिक आंसर होची भारत रत्न. What is the longest railway bridge in India? सठिक आंसर होची बेम्बनाड ब्रिज. What is the name of the largest rainforest in the world? सठिक आंसर होची Amazon rainforest. Who was the first woman prime minister of India? सठिक आंसर होची इंदिरा गांधी. Which planet is known as the blue planet? सठिक आंसर होची अर्थ. What is the capital of New Zealand? सठिक आंसर होची वेलिंगटन. Who invented the electric bulb? सठिक आंसर होची थॉमस एडिसन. थैंक यू.